President Trump. Jacqueline.
All right. Well, Steve, this hour we continue to mark the start of Hispanic Heritage Month. Prince George's County Public Schools launching a virtual exhibit including artifacts and recipes. And I'm joined now by student board member Alvaro Cerrone Ruiz, his mom Dora as well. We've got a demo of Guatemalan enchiladas. So welcome to you both. So excited to have you guys here. Tell me a little bit more about what we're preparing here today.
Right. So today we'll be making Guatemalan enchiladas. Enchiladas date back all the way to the 18th century, and they vary from culture to country. And we are truly excited to be here, especially as we celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month. And this is a recipe I hold near and dear to my heart and my stomach. And so truly excited to be here today with my mom as we share it.
Yeah, okay, let's get started. Tell us what we're supposed to make here a little bit. How does this work? It looks a little bit different than your traditional enchilada.
Right. They do change by culture to culture and country to country. And the Guatemalan enchilada is made with a tostada, with lettuce, your ground beef, a cabbage and relish, and then a whole bunch of other ingredients that we'll get to later.
Okay, well, let's go ahead and get started. Tell us how to put this all together. That's the final one over here too, right?
Alrighty.
Yeah. Hi, good morning. Feliz mes del mes hispano, de la herencia hispana. Hoy vamos a preparar unas deliciosas enchiladas guatemaltecas. Empezaremos.
So we'll first start with getting a tostada.
Tostada.
If you want to go ahead.
Oh.
I'm going to make one too. Okay.
Yes, you are.
Lechuga.
Get our lettuce leaf.
Okay. These look good. I can smell the seasoning that you have here.
You'll get your ground beef and diced potatoes and carrots.
Okay, and what's going into that seasoning for that?
A lot of different stuff.
Okay.
You know, my mom prepared this last night. And so the house was smelling very good.
Yes. And then these are, what are
This
these?
is curtido.
So it's beets and coleslaw.
Okay.
And so it's mixed together to make this relish.
Oh, we're like loading up over here. I gotta get those. All right. And then, so talk to me a little bit as we're putting this together about the importance that food plays in the Guatemalan culture and in Hispanic cultures altogether, really.
Yeah.
Food, I think, is really a good unifier. It brings people together, and it's a big part of one of the core values, I think, Hispanic culture and family.
Okay.
And I think it's something that brings us all together, especially with our moms, grandmas who make delicious food. My mom makes amazing food. Like this one.
Yes, yes. And so what is this sauce? This is like a hot sauce?
No, it's
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce, okay.
Yes.
Tomato sauce.
Oh my gosh, I don't know how I'm gonna eat this without it getting on my white dress. But hopefully we're gonna hope for the best here.
Cilantro.
Okay, oh, I love cilantro.
Sorry.
That is like one of my favorites.
Cilantro. And queso.
Okay.
Cheese.
Gotta have that.
Yeah, you gotta have your cheese.
So you mentioned, as we try this here, a little bit about the recipe that your family has. Is there different recipes for each of these, regardless of where you are?
Right, there are different recipes, and this is really the way my mom makes it. Go ahead.
I don't know. How do you eat this, Mom? Do you just bite into it that way?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Maybe you put the plate because most easy.
Let's not get dirty.
No. No, I just need a fork.
Sorry.
But yeah.
No, you're fine. Okay, so didn't get on my dress, so that's good. So this is just great. This tastes delicious.